Just finished the re38 restorations. It's really cool, these crossovers, and I haven't seen this very often. They are consecutively numbered, 9620, 9621. It's rare, since, you know, they were never truly marketed for being sold in pairs. Here's everything I had to replace. Cleaned up the faces, terminals, new flange plates. They will move on to the final testing stage and be sent back to the client. I'm 99% Audio, and I specialize in restoring vintage Cerwin Vega crossovers. Check me out on YouTube and Facebook.